like traffic. Now it's like traffic whenever I pull the camera out, dog. You just cut me the fuck off? Police or not. I've been seeing police all over town, huh? It ain't. It ain't. It's a little wine and I'm in a goddamn scat, bro. I'm not even in a Hellcat. Imagine if I get a Hellcat, get that intake, goddamn it, put all that extra shit on there. Man, that shit is raps. No lie. No lie, man. That bit could be a mart over there. Oh, there's a pussy in front of me. It's a pussy in front of me, man. But anyways, bro, I just got back from a goddamn... I don't even know what the fuck that shit was. It was a diversion program, because I had went to jail. And they just said, I gotta go to my diversion program to start. I gotta come back to Bartow like every week or some shit like that. That shit is crazy, bro. But it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? I done did my time in the jail. Got out, now I gotta go through a program, man. Watch he start speeding up because now I'm in this lane. Because that's how this nigga be. See, look at her. Look at her. Shit. Go ahead. You want to speed up? Go ahead now. You can go ahead now. This slow ass bitch. That's over there. That slow ass bitch. I ain't gonna lie, have y'all been seeing the gas prices? Like, this shit been crazy lately. I don't know if I can see that shit over there. Yeah, no, that shit got blurry as hell. That shit done got blurry as hell. Focus, man. It's like some gas prices. My fucking car in the way. But, yeah. Gas prices been going up like crazy, but I know there's a one little thing on 7-Eleven got me putting in codes and shit. They saving cents off or whatever like that. I tried that bit the other day. My gas is like, instead of $4.27 for goddamn premium with this shit, 93. I pay what did I pay? I paid like $3 and two something, $3.20 something cents. I was like, hell yeah, I'm finna start using that. That bitch said you got like 3 pumps left, 3 times to use it or some shit like that. But it is what it is, man. We get the chance to use less money, spend less money. I'ma do that, bitch. Shit, it is what it is. I'm almost to the crib. These non-driving ass niggas get out my goddamn way. All these old heads in the fucking Tesla. Fuck Teslas. Ooh, I like this gas price. No doubt. I like that gas price. I don't know if I can see that shit. Hold on. I don't know if you can see that shit. 379. Alright, yeah, no cap, no keys. That bitch sound like I got a motherfucking camshaft started to the bit. That bit chopping. Back in Winter Haven, man. This dirty ass place. This dirty ass place, bro. Hate it here. Promise you, when I move, I'm gonna go move out. Move out, go to ATL or some shit like that. Go to Texas. Go somewhere. Cause it's fuck this dumbass place. But what are these fucking cars doing? Bitch ass niggas can't drive. Like, he either don't know what the city is. What if I get me like a Corvette, trade this bitch in, give me a vet. Go to the dealership over here, give me a vet. It's a Dodge dealership more down that way, but I think I'm tired of Dodges. And if I before I get tired of Dodges, I'm gonna get me I'm gonna get me a Challenger. I'm gonna give me a Challenger first, and then I'm gonna be done with Dodges. And then shit. But the Challenger gonna be a Hellcat spec. After that Hellcat spec, the only thing that I'm going Mopar is Track Hawk. But I ain't gonna be done with that. I'm gonna keep that hoe. Not gonna lie. Track Hawk, bro. You can't go wrong with a goddamn Track Hawk, bro. That shit gonna do you right. This video is supposed to be no talking. Goddamn rambling and shit. Now you know what the hell I'm talking about, hell. Ugly. This supposed to be a driving POV. First driving POV on the channel. That's gonna be my 2 channels. This is gonna be my 2nd channel. Just me cutting up, fucking up the streets, no doubt. I wanna get them glasses though, to where I don't gotta hold this dick ass camera in my hand for the whole ride. That shit is annoying. That shit heavy. What if I wanna slide? I wanna bend the corner or some shit.